Hi everybody, my name is Doug, and today I'm going to be looking at this item right here. This is the XXL Camp Cot from Teton Sports, the Outfitter model. And I was attracted to this because I go camping occasionally, although I don't sleep well when camping, so I wanted to get a big old cot that would support a full-sized individual like myself. Today I am going to unbox it and you'll see me assemble it and fast forward. You can order this on Amazon and I'll put a link in the description box if you use that link to check it out. I would appreciate that as that helps out my channel. If you would click the like button on this video, I would appreciate that too. It helps the YouTube algorithm find me. So I have not looked ahead at any assembly instructions. I'm just going to wing it. I know from the description online that it has a bar of some kind that makes it easier, so this is a total rookie experience. You can also order this from moosejaw.com, and I'll put a link to that in the description box as well. Enough talking, let's dive in. Alright, so I wasn't able to do all of it in the fast forward. I need to get the last step a little closer here with tensioning this last bar into place, which I can already tell is going to be the hardest step here. Pull! Okay. This little red bar thing, I don't know if you can see it well on camera. Probably not, my hand's kind of in the way. It's supposed to make it easier. I'm afraid I'm going to kill myself in the process though. Oh, nope, I did it. Hey, that did make it easier. What do you know? Okay. Let's lay down on it. So this really is double XL, so XL that it wouldn't even fit all in the camera when I was putting it together. I apologize. It's about the size of a twin mattress. And I'm laying on it right now. Initial impressions, if I move, it does shake end to end just a little bit. But, we'll try it out for a while and see how I like it.